Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play games on Temu for free stuff. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're wondering how to exactly start playing games inside Temu here to get those pretty good stuff that you could actually get for nothing at all. So, in this case, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do this, go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and open up the Temu app here and just access your account. Now, from here, you want to go and click on the U section or the U tab at the bottom section of your screen. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose or look for the option that says Play and Earn. Now, there are going to be a lot of options here. You should see your orders, messages, reviews, but you should see Play and Earn as well. Now, depending on your region, it may be worded differently, but what you're looking for is going to be the Play and Earn option or something similar. Let's go ahead and select that one. Now, the play and earn section here has or currently has different options for you to play. There we have real free gifts, we have free item waiting, and real money here. Now, you could also play other games in here, like for example, if I'm not mistaken, in some regions, they do have what we call farmland. But then again, farmland may not or may not be available in certain regions. So it still depends on your account. So if you can't see it in here, you can also search it alternatively in your search bar in your homepage here. Go and click on home. You can go and go to the search bar and just type in farmland and just search for it. Now, typically, once you do press or search for farmland, this will redirect you to the farmland game, and from then on, you'll be able to start playing the game. Now, typically, playing the game just requires you to water your crops inside the app, but then again, it's subject to availability. Some regions may or may not have that option, but typically, again, they will be under the play and earn section if it's currently available in your region. Now, this come and go, so sometimes they are available, sometimes they're not. But that's how you start playing games inside the Temu app. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.